Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to find all your collections on Facebook using the web version on your PC, especially after the latest update that has moved a few things around. Let's get straight into it. First, open Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another set of options. Now from here, click on Activity Log. This section is where Facebook keeps a detailed record of everything related to your account activity. Once you're inside the activity log, look toward the left-hand side. You'll see different categories. Find and click on Your Facebook Activity. This helps you narrow things down so you're not scrolling endlessly. After clicking that, look for the option labeled Saved Items and Collections. Click on it and now you'll see everything you've saved on Facebook, including posts, links, videos, and more. To specifically access your collections, click on Collections. This is where Facebook organizes your saved items into folders or groups you've created. You can open any collection to view its contents, manage items, or even add new ones later. And that's it. That's the updated path to finding all your collections on Facebook using a PC. It may look slightly different from older versions, but once you know where to go, it's actually very simple. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials like this so you can stay updated with the latest changes across social platforms.